Right here, layering strategy, breakout strategy, expect a reversal or a continuation. That is how you trade in line with the time of the market. Welcome to this channel. You know that there is always the right time for each and every of these pairs to move, and today I want to show you that. For example, right here you can see Euro CHF that it will only start moving at the beginning of the London session. At the beginning of the London session, beginning of the London session, this pair will make its move. So it will help in guiding you that if you are to find or place a trade that will move, it should be at the beginning of the London session, not right here in the middle of the London sessions. You are likely to lose the trade because it won't be moving anywhere. It will be just spiking up and down. So without any waste of time, let us just go through all these pairs so that you know when to trade what. First thing, maybe let me show you the indicator that we're going to use for these sessions. Just go to indicators and on the search box, type sessions and then select this one, sessions by Lux Algo. Just click there. Okay, this is what you are going to see. The indicator comes in a mess. So let us go to the indicator settings so that we remove all the things that we don't need. Just scroll down under inputs and uncheck the last 4 boxes. Okay, leave the range label, uncheck the range outline, and then for the sessions we're going to start by looking at the London session. So let's uncheck the rest of the other sessions. Okay, uncheck New York and then press OK. Okay, right now I've already shown you that the one of the pairs to trade during London is Euro CHF. For the other ones, you can pick any pair that has to do with CHF. For example, USD CHF. See that it will also start making its move here at the beginning of the London session. Okay, see right here, I placed this trade at the wrong time and there was this spike. I lost the trade. If I had taken it here, I'd be in profit now. That's what I'm trying to open your eyes into. Another one that you can trade is GBP USD. It will also move during the London session. Okay, see that it moves, it moves, it moves. During London, go for USD CHF, Euro CHF, check GBP USD. Without any waste of time, let us just jump to another session. Okay, let's go to New York and then let's uncheck London. One of those pairs that are likely with moving during New York is gold. If you are a gold digger, just come to the beginning of New York, you will find a movement. Beginning of New York, you will find a movement. Beginning of New York, as you can see, traders, gold will make its move from the beginning of New York. Another one is US 100. US 100 will also make a move from the beginning of New York session. Make its move, make its move, make its move, make its move. Other pairs may include pairs like EuroCAD. EuroCAD will always or will also make its move during New York. Okay, you see that EuroCAD moved. EuroCAD started moving during New York. EuroCAD moved during New York. EuroCAD moved during New York. Another one is USD CAD. USD CAD will also make a move during the New York session, traders. During New York, it dropped. Right here, it was a mess. It wasn't the right time to enter. Okay, right here, from here, it dropped. Here, from here, it dropped. So when the New York session opens, know that you can come and look for an entry on USD CAD. Okay, let me show you pairs to trade during the, let's uncheck New York. The last ones we have Sydney. Sydney and Tokyo like to move together, traders. They are usually called the Asian session, even though it's the Asian and Pacific. So during this time, you will have pairs like Euro AUD. It likes to make its move from the opening of Sydney. Okay, see, it made a move, it made a move, it made a move, and this one seems to be clean. It doesn't spike that much. Okay, So see that it makes a move from the opening of Sydney. In fact, not from the opening of Sydney, because Sydney opens, just that it's not very clear. Where is my chart? Okay, Sydney opens right here. Okay, right here. It's not really visible, it's a yellow color. So right here where the arrow is pointing, it is where Tokyo is pointing. So you might just come from the opening of Tokyo so that you start placing your trades. Like here, if you can check, Sydney opens right here, but at the opening of Tokyo, that is where it begins to move. So the right time would be to come at the opening of Tokyo. So apart from this pair, you can also have NZD-USD. See that at the opening of Tokyo, it drops. Okay, it drops, it moves. So if you are to trade NZD-USD, make sure it is around this time. Another one maybe would be AUD-JPY. So this pair is also associated with moving from this time. Opening of Tokyo, it drops. Right here it started by moving up and then dropped, it drops. So if you are to look for entries for this pair, try to come around this time. Okay, let me show you these traders. This is very important. Your strategy should be in line with the time of the market. Let us say this is the London session and this is the New York session, and let us say you are trading gold, okay, AU. So let's say this is the price of gold. Gold is moving, and when it gets to the London session, it makes an aggressive move. Okay, and then let's say at the beginning of the New York session, it makes another aggressive move. So when you trade, your strategy, let me start right here. Your strategy right here should be a breakout strategy, because you know that price is going to make an aggressive move either to the downside or to the upper side. You might even use trend lines to just identify the breakout when it happens. Okay, and then your strategy right here, when the New York session opens or around the middle of the London and New York sessions, your strategy should be either a reversal pattern or a continuation pattern, because right here price might just reverse or it can continue. So for the reversal pattern, you can expect on a small time frame like M5, you can start looking for double tops or triple tops or head and shoulder patterns, all the reversal patterns, even a V. Price can just do this. Okay, so any reversal pattern here or a continuation pattern, because price might just get here and continue moving upwards. So that is how you trade. And right here, let's say you are trading gold, just before these sessions, you know that gold is sleeping right here. It is not moving. So your strategy should be the layering strategy. And the layering strategy, if you know it, let's say price is right here or right here, let's say you place a buy, and after placing the buy, you see price moving against you. 20 pips down the line, you put 2 or 3 more buy trades. If price continues moving against you, you add more buy trades, and then you will see price spike back, putting you in deep profit, because it cannot at this point move in one direction for a long time unless there are news events. So right here, you can apply the layering strategy. Of course, you don't have to be greedy. You have to apply it with risk management in your mind. So right here, layering strategy, breakout strategy, expect a reversal or a continuation. That is how you trade in line with the time of the market. So that is what I wanted to share, traders. I wish you the best as you apply these principles in your trading. Thank you.